Okay, since the last clip of that episode, I have gotten this collar drilled out, and this is what it looks like and how it's going to come out. You're just going to pull it straight out. The part that holds this collar on there's a little bolt, and it goes through here, threads in here, and then it goes down and sets right here in this little groove. But this groove over time has wallered itself out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire wheel this. I'm going to weld it up, and I'm going to put the screw back in this part of the vise to make sure I get a tight fit with this collar. That way this doesn't wiggle around while you're trying to tighten or loosen it. Took me about 30 minutes to drill it out, but it come out pretty good. I still have some of the old threads left in there. I'm going to find me a bolt that will fit this, and I'm going to retap it. Since the last segment of this video, I have welded the hole that was previously in the lead screw up. I have moved it back, and I have drilled a hole in the lead screw again where the bolt and collar that I was cleaning up previously now fits really tight. There's hardly any play other than the screw moving up and down, and that'll be taken out when it's put inside the jaw over here. I'm gonna take this back off. We've got a little bit of paint to remove on this end over here. Hopefully in this video we will have it primed. My camera wound up turning off, so I know this didn't get on there. I cleaned this little collar up. It was really dirty. I still have yet to weld. I'm going to fill one of these holes up because I re-tapped this one. I drilled it and tapped it. And I'm going to clean this one up a little more. I cleaned it out with a drill bit that was larger than the hole that was previously there to get down to bare metal. I've just got dust in there right now. I'm going to take some Q-tips and acetone and clean this out, and I'm going to weld this one up so you'll only see the good hole. finally decided on the colors. They're not the colors that I wanted. I'm gonna go with a high performance enamel gloss black for most of it. There's gonna be some parts that are accented with a cherry red. No, it's a gloss cherry. I'm going to paint the, let me see if I can adjust this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to paint the main body of the vise red. The rest of this is going to be black. The shelf on the back right here is going to be black. And then for the other part of the vise, most of that vise will be red. The base on it will probably be black. I wanted to use, they make a candy red that is a hammered color. It's not available in my area, and I did a little test piece up at the very top, just trying to see what it would look like. I like it pretty well. It's definitely gonna show dirt pretty well. There's a couple of my fingerprints. I'm gonna have to go back and repaint that. And then I have this piece that I painted as well. That is the screw box.